Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Adi Wibowo from Indonesia. I'd like to present about my research entitled Strategies to Improve Learning Orientation through Intrinsic Motivation, Transformational Leadership, and Growth Mindset. First, introduction. Creating a good and optimal performance in the organization need to build a strong and integrated culture from various ways in order to create extraordinary results. Organization will be able to compete and survive in conditions of increasingly global and intense competition. If organizational executive in managing their organization pay in attention to stakeholders from different interests, meaning and that the role of human resource must really be considered properly and correctly for the sake of the organization. Learning orientation is one of the factors that can affect the performance of human resource and create superior human resource. Then, the mindset also plays an important role in influencing the attitude and behaviors of individuals, facilitating them of develop and fulfill their potential. It's an important psychological concept mindset has been applied to various fields from education to business literature. Thus, the mindset also has a special effect in helping individuals stay in a good state when facing change, tension, and challenge by triggering their motivation and thereby ensuring individual effort and learning. Furthermore, intrinsic motivation, according to Grant and Berry, 2011, when individuals are intrinsically motivated, they will feel positive creative stimuli that encourage them to access more information and in turn encourage them to identify the ideas they have in a different way. Flexible so he will have a good learning orientation. The next one is transformational leadership. The leadership style of a transformational leader will empower and encourage and stimulate followers to achieve better than their expectation according to Afshar and Mas'ud 2080. Later conducted research at the Bojonegoro Indonesia State Prosecutor's Office because this agency the question often arises of how high the learning orientation of the Bojonegoro Indonesia State Prosecutor apparatus in is and whether this learning orientation has an effect on professionalism in the work of the Bojonegoro Indonesia State Prosecutor apparatus. Let's talk about research model. These are as follow. The first hypothesis, intrinsic motivation has a positive effect on learning orientation. Second hypothesis, transformational leadership positive effect on learning orientation. Third hypothesis, intrinsic motivation positive effect on the growth mindset. Fourth hypothesis, transformational leadership positive effect on the growth mindset. And fifth hypothesis, growth mindset positive effect on learning orientation. Let's move on to problem statement. This study aims to explore strategy to increase learning orientation through intrinsic motivation, transformational leadership, and growth mindset. Next, method. The data analysis used in this research is descriptive analysis, which aims to interpret the respondents' argument about the question and the frequency distribution of respondent statement from the data that has been collected. The population used in this study were individuals who work at the Bojonegoro Indonesia Public Prosecutor Office, amounting to 62 people. The data collection method in this study used a questionnaire by giving a questionnaire from to individual at the Bojonegoro District Attorney Office. Then the type of research used is explanatory research with is a type with which is a type of research that explains the relationship between variable through a hypothesis and aim to strengthen or weaken the existing hypothesis. Then the variable of this research are intrinsic motivation, transformational leadership, growth mindset, learning orientation. Then the sampling technique was determined using the census technique, namely the entire population was taken to the research sample. Then the measurement scale used to express response from respondent used a Likert scale. Then the result of testing the data in this study were processed using PLS 3.0 software. Let's turn to result. The result of testing the data in this study were processed using PLS 3.0 software with the following results. Based on the table, it shows that all factor loading values have a value more than 0.7, which means that all variable indicators have good convergent validity, so that all indicators are declared feasible or valid, as well as the value composite reliability and Cross-Brand all construct have a value more than 0.7, so it can be conducted that the model in this study has met the reliability requirement. Next, PET coefficient table. The hypothesis testing contained in the table show that the results in this study result in the first, third, fourth, and fifth hypothesis being accepted, but the first hypothesis was rejected. The result of the first hypothesis test show that intrinsic motivation has no positive and significant effect on learning orientation because the p-values are 0.900 more than 0.05. Original sample value of less 0.018 indicated the direction of the relationship is negative. The t-statistic value is this construct relationship is 0.126 less than 0.167, so that the relationship between the two variables is declared if significant. That means that the first hypothesis is rejected. The result of the second hypothesis test show that transformational leadership has a positive and significant effect on learning orientation because the p-values are 0.00 less than 0.05. The t-statistic value is this contrast relationship is 4.766 more than 1.67, so that the relationship between the two variables is declared significant. This means there is high transformation leadership, so individual learning orientation is also high. The result of the third hypothesis test indicated that intrinsic motivation has a positive and significant effect on growth mindset because the p-value is 0.00 less than 0.05. The t-statistic value in this construct relationship is 3.602, more than 1.67, so that the relationship between the variable is declared significant. This means that there is high intrinsic motivation, so it can form a growth mindset. The result of the fourth hypothesis, they show that transformational leadership has a positive and significant effect on growth mindset because the p-value are 0.002 less than 0.05. The t-statistic value in this construct relationship is 3.093 more than 1.67. This means the higher the transformational leadership, the higher the growth mindset of the individual. The result of the five hypotheses, this test gave the result that the growth mindset has a positive and significant effect on learning orientation because the p-value is 0.003 less than 0.05. The t-statistic value in this construct relationship is 2.979, more than 1.67, so that the relationship between the two variables is still significant. This means that the higher the growth mindset, the higher the individual learning orientation. The limitation of this research is that this research produces a low R-square value, namely 0.356 and 0.442, which tells that the value is weak in predicting the model. In addition, the selection of respondents in this study was only for employees of the Bojonegoro State Prosecutor Office, so that the effect of the above variable on other industry was not known. Then, based on the limitation of this study, the next research agenda can be improved by research other things that can increase learning orientation, such as employee curiosity. In addition, data collection does not only come from questionnaire but can be added with interview because it will get more truth answer from respondent. Judging from the value of R square, which is still moderate than is there in future research, other variable can be added to improve learning orientation. This is my presentation. I would like to thank all parties involved in this research. Thanks to Mrs. Dr. Siti Sumiati as mentor, family, friend of MM 70 Unisula, and kolega at the Bojonegoro Indonesia District Attorney. That's all I have said about. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.